superfood from our kitchen. Yes, today we are going through a very simple recipe using our locally available superfood. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Many a time curry leaves we think is just for enhancing flavor, but it is loaded with medicinal properties. The ingredients for today's recipe: heated a pan and dry roasting 2 cups of curry leaves. Just ensure it's on medium flame and you can see the curry leaves shrinking in size. Next, adding in split Bengal gram or chana dal 1 tablespoon and split black gram or urud dal 1 tablespoon with a teaspoon of cumin seeds. For spice, I'm adding in a couple of red chilies. Again, dry roasting them till they turn brown in color and I'm ensuring they don't get burnt. Keeping this aside, and to the same pan adding in dry coconut and a small piece of tamarind. Allowing all these ingredients to cool down a bit, adding in salt to taste and a teaspoon of organic jaggery powder. Just blend everything and your curry leaves powder is ready. Last week we had done flaxseed powder, really tasty. Do check it out. And yes, if you, your family or loved ones require online diet counseling right from the comfort of your home, our number to connect is there for you.